Hello boys, how are you? Today we can continue our GAT with number 4 statistics, probability and graphs. Now here, as you see, if 5 friends want to stand in a queue, then how many ways can they stand? You know that I have 5, okay, like this. The first one has 5 chances here, and the second one, if we stop here one, they are still 4. So each one has 4 chances. Then if we stay 1 here, they are become 3. So in 3 there are 3 chances here. So we stop 1 here, it's become 2. They have 2 chances here. Then the last one has 1 chance. So we have to multiply all of them together like this to get the answer. So I can multiply 5 by 4 is 20, times 3 is 60, times 2 is 120, times 1, 120. So the answer is equal to what? Is equal to 120. Question 2 here. Let x and y both be integers. You know the integers is negative or positives. Okay? So x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 42, and y is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 7. Find the maximum possible number of the quotient x over y. So here x is the biggest number, is 42, and we can do y, that's mean x over y. And as you know here, y I can make it 1, the smallest number here, because I can't divide by 0. It's unknown. So 42 divided by 1 is equal to 42. So the answer is 42 here. This is the maximum. Now, if the number of randomly withdraw from a set of numbers 1 to 30, what is the probability of obtaining of even numbers? You know that all numbers, the half of is even and the half is odd. So if they are 30, that's mean the odd is equal to what? The even is equal to 50%. So the answer is 50%. This is the probability. Now, if there are 9 green balls, 5 blue balls, and 6 white balls, what is the probability of the drawing a non-blue ball? So now here we have to add all of them to get the total of probability. Now 9 plus 5 plus 6, that's equal to 20. Now you know that probability is the evens over the total. So non-blue, it's become 9 plus 6, which is 15, over the total, which is 20. Now you have to make it as a percent, so you have to multiply by 5 both to make it 100 as a percent. That's mean 15 times 5 is 75 over 100, which equal to 75%. So the answer here is C, 75%. Now, what is the correlation of the graph? You know the correlation here, you can see here is up, down, up, down, up. That means there is no correlation here. There is no correlation because it's not constant. So the answer here is, because as you see, it's go up, down, up, down, up, so there is no correlation. In this question here, which day is the nearest to the quarter? You know that the quarter is 25%. So this is the quarter, which is 25%. We have to find which one is very close to 25%. First of all, we don't know what is the Wednesday is, so we have to add all of this and subtract from 100 to know what is the percent of Wednesday. If I add here 20 plus, so we have to make 72 degree as a percent first of all. So 72 there. So how we can do it? We put 72 divided by the whole, which is 360. This is the sum of whole angles in the circle times what? 100%. Okay, now what we can do? We can simplify 72 times divide by 360 is equal to 0.2. 0.2 times 100%. It's equal to 20%. So now we can add all of them as a percent. So here plus 20, which is 72 degree, plus 16, plus 17. Okay. Now if we add all of them, this has become 6 plus 7 is 13. We put the 3 up with 1. Now if we add all of this, it's become 73%. Okay, now Wednesday is equal to 100%, which is the total percent of the circle, minus the sum, which is 73%. That's equal to 27%, which is very close to quarter, which is 25 up. So the answer is equal to Wednesday here. That's it's little bit close to 25%, more than others. Now this question here, if the number of the student is 600 students, then how many students have been awarded B? You know that B is 42 here. It's 42%. That means I have to multiply 42% times 600. You know that 42, that means 42 over 100. This is the percent. Multiply by 600. We can cross 2 zeros here with 2 zeros here. So it's become 42 times 6, which is 252. So the answer, as you see here, is C. Now in this question, the last one, how many students are in the school? Solve that. First of all, I have here 36%, 5%, 17%. I have here 840 students, so we don't know what is the percent here. This is what can help us by part over whole equal the percent. So first of all, we have to add all the percent here. 36 plus 5 is 41. 41 plus 17 is equal to 58%. So now B is equal to 100% minus the sum of the percent, which is 58%, is equal to 42%. So that's mean now 48 here, 840, which is the part, over the whole, which is X, is equal to 42%, which is the part, over the whole percent, which is 100. Now to get here x, we have to do the cross multiply. I multiply x times 42 equal to 840 times 100. Then I divide both sides by 42, divided by 42. So this is, sorry for 840 by 42. Now 42 divide 42, it's become 1. So now x is equal to 840 divided by 42 is equal to 20. I can simplify this by this. It's equal to 20. Now 20 times 100 is equal to 2000. So the answer here is 2000 students in the school. So the correct answer is C. Thank you very much. I hope you understand what we're talking about.